Having trouble syncing your business data with LiveKeeping? Let's get it working again. First, open the LiveKeeping Data Connector and log in using your registered mobile number. After logging in, check the Windows system tray to make sure the LiveKeeping connector is running in the background. Next, make sure your computer is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet connection. Once you're connected, return to the LiveKeeping Data Connector and click Refresh. Next, click the Open Tally button to launch Tally. Once Tally opens, select the company you want to connect. Return to the LiveKeeping Data Connector and verify that the status shows Tally connected to confirm the connection. LiveKeeping syncs data only through the primary Tally tab. If multiple tabs are open in Tally, close the additional tabs and ensure only the primary tab remains active. This should allow LiveKeeping to sync your data correctly. Now let's verify the port number. Open settings in the data connector and compare the port number with the port number of Tally. Both values should be the same for the connector to communicate with Tally successfully. As a final check, open the Profile tab and verify that the correct details are displayed. These should correspond to the account linked to your registered mobile number. Once you've completed these checks, your data should sync successfully with LiveKeeping and you'll see the data synced successfully pop up. If you need any further assistance, our support team is here to help. Subscribe to the LiveKeeping YouTube channel for more tutorials and guides. Thank you.